Okay guys, Card is here again guys with another video guys, and this time it's a little bonus video of what I'm going to do to this amplifier. So you see guys, this is a Taram DS2000X4, and I'm going to install a fan in it guys because it's supposed to have a fan. Well, I think so, yes guys, because look at that guys, look at that, you see that cooling, you see they show the direction, and over there it says fan. You see that guys? Says fan. There they have two. You could put two resistors. I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna connect to that point over there, which is positive and grounds, guys. I get 12 volts across these two over there, as you can see. Yeah, guys. Supposed to have a fan. I don't know why they didn't put it, but I kind of figure out this company guys. They figure out, if they do that, the amplifier will last. Last too long, and they don't want that to happen. So look, guys. See, I put some excess super glue on that, guys. Some CA glue, and I sprayed, yes, just to keep, make a better coating and those stuff, which it will last longer. So these guys, they run at a temperature. Believe me, after a while, they run at a temperature, and I understand why these get heated. You understand, these inductor coil, and they wouldn't tell you nothing about that. But yes, guys, I'm going to put a fan in it. And see the direction says I'm going to put it at the point that way, as you know, as it should be. See, says cooler. See that, guys? Why they didn't put it? I hope they know they're not going to have a good explanation why they didn't. They're like, oh, it didn't need it. Oh yeah, it needed it, guys. Need it. And these get really warm after a while. Hot, I would say, not warm, hot. Not too hot, but they get hot, guys. Yes, and you want to stop that. So that's where I come in, guys. I'm gonna put a fan there, and guys, we go from there. All right, guys, give me a minute here. All right, guys. So yeah, see, I have one here, 12 volts, 12 volts, guys. As you can see, DC 12 volts, and as you can see from, let me see what's on there. See that arrow, guys? Yeah, that arrow is showing you. See? This arrow, yes, guys, that's a bit to get the focus. See the arrow pointing that way, so that's where I'm going to put it. So you can see it's going to point that way as the sign that was on the board. Yep. So I don't know if you guys can see where I'm right here. Yeah, no, yeah, it wasn't that visible, but yeah, about there. Let's go a minute here. My wife is calling. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do some soldering now with these. Alrighty then. So you have positive, guys, on that side, way out to the. Ay, ay, ay. Let me do this. Woo-wee. So as the arrow points, guys, says that way I'm gonna just do it like what they say, but you never know. So it's gonna take here from here and blow it through. That's it's gonna go that way. So yes. And what I didn't do, guys, I didn't get any screw in advance. So I have two of them, guys, that I'm gonna have to do this way. But yeah, this is the first one. So guys, if you ever get one of these and you don't know how to turn the fan and your fan doesn't have any label on it, normally this side that have the sticker is the side that goes that way. So suck the air from outside, send it through the amplifier here. Just let you guys know that's how it goes. Yep. So now guys, give me a minute while I find a screw, the second screw to screw this thing together, guys, because yeah. No, 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 no. Alright, guys, give me a minute. Sorry, guys, I'm hooking up the power wire to it now. So, yeah, just remember, guys, I didn't have the camera on, man. But yeah, let's see. Do the remote wire now. Yeah, let's see what's going on. No way. Yeah, guys, sometimes this stuff give you really some messed up. This thing is giving me a problem. The insulator on this thing. Come on. Phew. Right. So yes, guys. Let me pour it on and see what's going on here. You guys can see. Pour light. All right, guys. Give me a minute here. Exactly, guys. So yeah. So you can see it's running. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It is silent. Oh yeah, it's really silent, guys. All right, just letting you know it's working. Give me a minute. So yes, guys, it's up and running as you guys can see. Just letting you know that's how I'm gonna do the other one, and then yeah, we go on from there. It's supposed to have a fan, they didn't put a fan, and well, I do that. So yeah, it's gonna run much cooler and everything. So guys, please like, subscribe, like what you see. Carter and Carter is out for now.